Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 da ban. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 from the storm. Go to the stars. Reach so far. Great ships fly in a digital sky. Not be right back. Goodbye. When it falls. From the first key tap to the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. Still hadn't started? I guess I can start it, but no. No. Bum 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 ba da bum bum ba dum bum bum ba da bum bum ba da dum bum bum ba da bum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum 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 da 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 bum. Dun, dun. No condo, Chris? No condom? Oh my god. In this coder's rate. Oh. Da, 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 da. Reverse mode. Bum, 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 da, dum, bum, bum, da, da, da. Ah, ah, ah. Bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba da bum. Final map ba da bum base in the coder's race. Bum 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 ba da ba da bum ba ba bum ba bum bum. Bum ba bum ba ba bum bum. Bum bum ba ba bum. Bum 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 ba bum ba da bum. Wait, what? Oh, hold on. Bum 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 ba da. Bum 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 bum. Galactic Trading Square. Energy fills the air. Wait, what's wrong? Oh, wait, what? Oh no. What are we doing? I didn't even pay attention. Okay, so this right here is see out. Dun, 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Feel so free. So the first one, dun 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 dun, bum 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 bum. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba. I thought it was something different. I didn't even pay attention. Bum, ba, bum, ba, da, 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 bum, ba. What? What? Bum, da, 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 bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, do I have it backwards? Son of a... Treasures you find. Treasures you find. Bum, ba, 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 bum. So J, boom, 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 X, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now, does that work? Not at all. And okay, we're dun, 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 dun. Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, ba, ba. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. I will never fade away. 1 to 1, W plus 1. Okay, cool. Excuse me. Printf %s %i to help you through. %s. X is greater than 1 ternary space or not. Ways time to me. Or X times multiplier. Multiplier. Oh, multiplier plus plus? Wait, but do you reset the multiplier? Int main mul? What? Why? Why did he do that? And why does it work? What? Here to help you through every task I learned from you. Ruby, huh? Always try to lead. Bum 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 bum. I don't really understand the putting that in there. Int main mul? Mul? Is it just a variable? What is the... like, how do you even find out what that is? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Okay. Let's see if AI knows, because I have no clue. Yeah, my headphones are broken, so. Yeah, exactly. Argc, argchar. So it's the first form takes note of the second form takes two arguments. In the code, you put most beings of parameter remains not standard. It's possible that if you just pictures divided in the code being run, it's not something you would see in typical zero coding class. It's a game to improve your coding efficiency while solving short programming problems with other people at the same time. However, I couldn't find any specific. Ask in the coding game community for clarification. It's always possible the challenge involves some non-standard user. No, it wasn't related to the challenge. I think they're just showing off. Are they part of the coding game team or something? I think this is a bot. I think I heard once that was a bot. Quiet. That's weird. That is a weird quirk. Supernova. Does it then become a global variable? Colors show. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum. Da-da-da-da-da. I know. Da-da-bum, ba, ba, da-da-dum, ba, ba, ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, bum. Light explodes, sky ignites, colors show. Bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum. Shortest mode, here we go. The goal is to transform the input string into the alphabet index of each character. Alphabet in it, output it in one line. AA1, Z. Oh, I see. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. And output it in one line. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. A string that can contain all types of characters. One line out of each alphabet index, not space separated. If there's any character present in the string that isn't up there. Dun 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 dun. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 dun dun. Bit of distance, dun 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 dun. Fortnite night, we hold tight, dun 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 dun. So if it's A, it should be 1. Friends through the darkest night. Bum 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 bum. If there's any character present in the string that isn't in the English alphabet, output error. Okay, so go if is alpha to text dun dun dun. Else bum 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 bum. Dreams in the distance. Dum bum 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 bum. Fortnite night, we hold tight. Bum ba dun 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 dun. Friends through the darkest night. Oh, we're supposed to just, that's it. Dun 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 dun. Found error, expected nothing. So once there's one error, oh. So hold on. Is okay equals false? True. It's true. So if we find any that are in error, we immediately exit and just print error. That changes things. Dun dun dun. So first we got to do the check for that. So then just go through, go like this. For int I equals 0, I is less than text.length, I plus plus. Dreams in the distance, dum bum 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 bum. Fortnite night, we hold tight. So then we'll just go if is okay. Then we'll do all that. Through the darkest night. Whoa. Okay, I 0 less than thing. So we go through and if, let's just go like this. If is alpha text sub I. If not, then we're going to go is okay equals false. And then we're going to run this. And then we don't care about the error. Oh wait, yeah we do, but we're going to put it down here. We're going to just go right there. Go like this. else. And then we're going to put that in its proper spot right there. For night, we hold tight. Now does that work? Okay. Ba, 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 ba. So it's okay. Error test, hard test, random test, submit. Shortest code. Who cares about shortest code? Anybody? Anybody? Okay. I'm kidding. Okay. I'll be right back. There we go. Okay, sorry, I didn't do the I'll be right back kind of thing. I just Fortnite nights we hold tight. Oh, let's go some more music. Let's go back to it. Let's do some Steam favorite. No. Do some Stellaris and chill. Let's do Stellaris and chill. Excuse me. Okay. Ooh, somebody finished with Go, and they're not sharing their code. Okay. Well, let's just ask Bing. Here, we'll just ask Bing. Import Unicode. Computer. Oh, it's giving you so many different ways. Oh, okay. Two lower, okay. 628 bytes. Maybe I should do a practice one of these. Because they have a bunch of practice stuff. They also have bot programming. Oh, I think dude's about to finish. He got 520 bytes Python and hasn't shared his code yet. You guys are supposed to share your code. Alright, could I have shrunk my code down? I don't think so. Sorry, I'm drinking body armor. Drinking body armor. I'm about to drink an entire bottle of body armor. Can we... Oh, okay. Moving on. Should we wait, or what is it? What does that even say? Oh, Supercraft D. Trying to get better? Okay. What is my ranking? 17,144. How long has my ranking been that? Oh, I heard somebody. I heard someone. I behold, there's a person in the distance. Terrace Mazipa, how's it going? Hello to everybody else too. We got 5 viewers. How's everybody doing? I'm mostly gonna do Clash of Code. I'm just gonna do some clashes. Cool. I am as well. Tomorrow's my Friday from work. Oh, shortest mode. We have a full crowd here. It is awesome, especially after the work day is over tomorrow. Alright, let's see what we got. In mathematics, an autobiographical number is an integer m. Autobiographical number? Okay. In which each digit d at position n counts how many instances of digit n are in m. Okay, say that 10 times fast. Is an integer in which digit d at position n counts. Your test to print the sum of all logical numbers and given numbers n. What? Example, I equals 20, 20, 20, 20. 20 is an autobiographical number because 0, the first index. 0, the first index? Oh, you mean from the right side? Appears 2 times. The first digit in 2021, the second index appears 0 times. The second digit in 2020. 2, the third index appears 2 times. The third digit in 2020. And 3, the fourth index appears 0 times. The fourth digit in 2020. 2021 isn't an autobiographical number because 3, the fourth index, should appear one time in 2021, but it does not. Okay. An integer n for the number of integers to check, and sum n integers separated space the sum of what in the world? Each digit d at position n counts how many instances excuse me, is an integer m in which each digit d at position n counts how many instances of digit n at position n counts how many instances of digit n are in m. Okay. 0, the first index. 0 is the first index in 2020. I'm still trying to figure out this problem. It's been over almost 3 minutes. I'm going to stay in it just to see who can understand the problem. Because 0, the first index, appears 2 times the first digit in 2020. 1, the second index, 2020, 2021, the second index? He gave up, okay. Because appears, this 1 is the second index? Okay, I'm totally lost right there. Appears 0 times the second digit in 2020. 2, the third index, two is the third index? So 0 is the first. What? Appears 2 times the third digit in 2020. And 3, the fourth index, appears 0 times the fourth digit in 2020. 2021 isn't an autobiographical number because 3, the fourth index, should appear one time in 2021, but it doesn't. What in the world? Does anybody have any clue what this is? Oh my goodness. I bet they gave up. 100%? Can you please help explain this to me? And let's just go like that. The position of the digit in the number corresponds to the digit it's counting. I kind of gathered that, but for example, consider the number 2020. Here's how it's autobiographical. Okay. The digit at the 0th position from left and starting at 0. From the left and starting at 0 is 2. Okay. And there are indeed 2 occurrences of the digit 0. What was that? 2 occurrences of the digit 0 in the number. The digit at the first position is 0. The digit at the first position? 0th. Oh, the first position is 0. And there are indeed 0 occurrences of the digit 1. Oh. That's... The digit at the second position is 2, and there are 2 occurrences of the digit the digit at the third position is 0, 0 occurrences of the digit 3. Because each digit's count matches its position. So 2 is 0, there are 2 occurrences of the digit. And then 1, there's 0. 2 is in position 2, and there are 2, so there are 2. And then 0 is in position 3 and there are zeros, so okay. That is weird. It says to solve the task you mentioned you would need to iterate over each number in the list, check if it's autobiographical, and if it is, add it to a running total. Here's a simple Python function that does this. Number, string number, if all string number count, string number for in range, lane num, total plus, oh. You can use this function like so, numbers, print, oh. Function works by converting each number to a string, and for each digit in the string, it checks if the count of that digit in the string is equal to the value of the digit. If all digits pass this check, the number is autobiographical and is added to the total. I hope this... There we go. Oh. Okay. We are moving on. We are moving on. I have no clue about that one. That was insane. My brain is kind of... Actually, it doesn't. I was going to say it. My brain hurts, but it really doesn't, because whatevs. There we go. Okay, a warrior is fighting a monster called a hexaghost. The health of the warrior is H. Hexaghost attacks the warrior at the end of each turn in a repeating cycle of 6 turns with the following attack pattern. Unfortunately, the warrior has no way to block or heal. Determine the number of turns the warrior can survive before being defeated. Ten to the 12? me. Oh, we need to get a break out of there. So once we get to that one, we're off by 1. The answer is 61. $560. So that's 10. So the answer should be 60. And then C. Oh. So now does that work? No, now they. Oh. I was going to say, now they all fail. 62. What? Oh, this has to be at each one now. Okay. Because we don't want to just, yeah, okay. Okay. No, we're off by 1. So what is h divided by? Oh, what if it's equal to 0? Shouldn't we go with equal on all these? Is that it? Expected, oh. Found that expected, okay, so it's, so the answer is, should it just be longs? Is that it? Man. That took me a long time. Dad joke, isn't it? Okay, sorry. Okay, that one's crazy. I'm hydrating. Is anybody else gonna get it? How much time? What was it shortest? I forget. I'm so scared. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, 5 minutes. What are we gonna do? I don't know. Let's make a game. 5 minute challenge. Okay. Um. Here's the thing. Okay, this is kind of messed up, but I like it the way it is. However, what did we actually do? Oh yeah, this is all just in the shader. I don't really know what I was going for, per se, kind of thing. But anyways, new terrain. Go down here. Bum, bum, bum. Load shaders, initialize noise terrain. Oh, terrain 6 FS? Yep, right here. Four minutes. Anybody else gonna do it? I don't know. I'm scared. Frankly, I'm scared. And I'm a little bit worried. No. Bum, 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 bum. Pirate Software Game Jam. Creating a PNG tuber. Let's see if... Oh, Quantum is on. Oh, is he just starting? Oh. Nothing, nothing. What's going on? Do you know? Do I know BF? Brain fuck? Uh. Yeah, I was gonna be like, what? Oh. Bam, 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 bam. Increment the data pointer. Decrement the data pointer. Oh. Seems like a logo. Sounds like a logo. Decrement the data pointer. Increase the value stored at the block. Decrease the value stored at the block. Like a while loop in C, if the value of the current block is not 0, the instruction pointer moves to the next command. Otherwise, it jumps forward to the command after the matching. Oh. If the value of the current block is 0, the instruction moves to the next command. Otherwise, it jumps back to the command after the matching. Oh. Input a character and store it in the block at the data pointer. Output the ASCII value at the data pointer. Despite its simplicity, it is Turing complete, meaning it can theoretically compute anything that a Turing machine can, given enough time and memory. However, it's not intended for practical use, but rather to challenge and amuse programmers. Tend to be cryptic and difficult to understand, hence the language's somewhat provocative name. Oh yeah, well. No, but I am familiar with assembly language. Yes. Oh, I got some peeps. No, 15 or 75%, 100% didn't share the code. 100% here. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot a space there. It's not. Alright. So let's try. Wonder if I could try one of these exercises. Where are they at? Where is the practice stuff? Upcoming, past, solo puzzles. Here we go. Mars Lander, Episode 2. Winamax. Backtracking, recursion. What's this? Easy. Did I do this one? Completed. Let's go with an easy one. Ulam Spiral? Let's do that one. Solve it? Have I not solved it? The Ulam Spiral, I know, is prime spiral. Graphical division instead of primes. It is constructed by writing the positive integers in a square spiral and specifically marking the prime numbers. You have to draw an ASCII representation of an Ulam spiral of size n by n. Use that for primes, that for others. Example, n equals 3 of the positions of 3 Ulam spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the positions of the 3 Ulam spiral. The start of the center triangle. And then replace prime numbers with that, and others with that. An integer n for the size of the spiral. Oh, so that's it. Oh, space separated characters of the line of the S version spiral dot. Oh, so that's it. Oh, I have to start like that. Why? Why do we have to start in the center? No. I don't want to start in the center. So what do you do with a 4x4? Where's the center? Where do you start? Bum, bum, ba, ba, bum. N equals 3. These are the positions for the 3x3 Ulam spiral. An integer n for the size of the spiral. N is odd. Okay. That's what I need to know. N, it's up to 21. Okay, so n is odd. I think we can figure that out. So first of all, n is odd? That's odd. That's really odd. So the spiral is going to be 1, 3, 5, 7. So they're all going to contain a 1. And then they're all going to contain the 3 by 3. And then they're all going to contain the 5 by 5, all the way up to 21. Oh, there's my dwink. Okay. All the way up to 21. Okay. I'm with you, Cheech. So how do we do this? So then the 5 by 5 would start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And then, 10 would be there. There's no time limit on this, but for n I equals row n row. Okay, first of all, to print a grid, right? We're gonna go for int j equals 0. J is less than n. J plus plus. Oh, because it's got better than I do. Let's just do 0. Like that. I think that'll do a 3 by 3, right? 3 by 3. The space between. And then if j is less than n minus 1, we out a space. So that'll do that. Okay, so we have our grid. Now the first thing to do is completely freak out. Okay, how would you even do that? Well, there is a pattern to it, isn't there? Theoretically? Depends on n, right? Should all be related to n. So the 1 by 1, just print a 1. Okay. 3 by 3, then everything is from 1 to 9. And what is the... How would you do that? How do you do it? Well, the center is 1. Okay. So are we just going to go like around the thing and then come to the spot and come to the... How do we do it? Start at the center and turn counterclockwise. So then that's just to display the grid, but we're not there yet. Because what we want to do is put all the numbers in a grid, cycle through the grid, check if it's prime, put a thing if it's that, or put a thing. Okay, so then right here would be is prime. Okay, so we'll need an is prime function as well. So So what we could be traversing is 21 by 21, but we might be traversing 3 by 3. So what do you do? What is the data structure that is Alright. I will be right back. I will be doing more of the... Am I watching a stream? No. Okay. That's just my stream. I will officially be right back. I'm just going to walk this back to the fridge. Okay, so speaking of logo, or the other language you were talking about, what we could actually do is actually so what we need to do is have a way to traverse the Ulam spiral no matter what n it gives you. Computer. That's funny. There we go. Alright. Now we're just gonna go and see, like, what would you do? Could I just put it in a vector? I could just put it in a vector, right? Yeah. (2D vector). 2D vector is essentially a vector of vectors. Here's an example how you can declare and initialize a 2D vector. std vector int matrix and what? So what does this do now? std vector, it's a vector of a vector of ints. Matrix n comma std vector int n comma 0 matrix, and then n comma vector int n comma 0. Oh. Now you can store n by n numbers in the matrix. Count equals 1, ij, matrix ij equals count. Print the matrix. Okay, well that's cool. And you can, oh, that is a really neat way to initialize a two-dimensional array. I had no idea you could do that. Ah, I'm gonna create a 2D vector with n rows and n columns. This is really cool. Okay, why didn't I guess I knew you could do this, I just didn't know that you could do this. This is cool. This is really cool. I'm glad I did this challenge now because this here, replace this with your desired value. I'll desire your value. Okay, std vector int matrix n std vector. Okay, so that works. So now we just want to go through. So how do we do this then? How do you even know? Excuse me. N is an odd number. Like, what's the center, right? My whole point is what's the center. So the center here, if it's 1, it's going to be 0, 0. If it's 3 is the next odd number, then the center is 1, 1. And it's a 2, but it's up to 2, 2. If it's 5, then the center is 2, 2. Wait, 3, the center is 1, 1. 5, the center is 2, 2. 7, the center is 3, 3. Oh. So in order to get the, okay, hold on, no. So 1 is 0, 0. So 3, if you subtract 1 and divide by 2, gives you 1. 1, if you subtract 1 and divide by 2, gives you 0. So whatever n is, subtract 1 and divide by 0, or divide by 2. Okay, let's see. 15, subtracting over, so be 7, 7. Okay, so starting position. So let's go int current x equals 0, current y equals 0. Index, would that be the index? But actually both of them are going to be the same. It's going to be current y equals n divided by 2. No, n minus 1 divided by 2. N minus 1 divided by 2. Oh, what am I doing? Does that work? Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. So then all you would do is so the whole point is to go counterclockwise around the outer edge of a grid. Well, that's alright. So the first grid is 1 by 1. The next grid is 3 by 3. You're going around the outside, counterclockwise. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, and you have to progressively go through it. This is very interesting. This is an easy one. Wow, this is easy. Okay, whatever. Whatevs. So the first thing you want to do is start in the center and place your matrix cx cy equals oh well let's use or for index that's fine. We're not to the other stuff down there yet. Okay. Okay, so we have our center. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. So what else? What else do we do? Well, in the particular case of the first one, we know that we just move one clockwise. And then, but we're in the center of a matrix that could be 21 by 21. So, what are we doing? We're just moving one to the right. That's it. So what we need to do is move one to the right and then proceed counterclockwise within next level of the grid. Okay, so the first level of the grid is 1. So we also need to keep track of the, so we're keeping track of the index of what we're going to put in the matrix. We also need to keep track of the level. So int, how did I get down there? Int L equals 1. Level, let's just go LVL. Equals 1. Okay, so level 1, I equals 1. Alright. So I is going to go up at this point, because what you do is put it in there, and you go I plus plus. Okay. So move one to the right. How do you move one to the right? You just go CX plus plus. Okay. Then you proceed counterclockwise within the next level of the grid. Okay, so do we also, at this point, we know that the level is up because the jig is up, and no. So the level goes up 1. Then we move to the one to the right. Then we proceed counterclockwise within the next level of the grid. So we're definitely going to go up, left, down, and right. Okay. Up, left, down, right. Then we go, then we move one more to the right, and we repeat it again. Okay, so what we would do then at that point is increase level, and then repeat. Okay, alright, I think that's what we would do. This is crazy. Proceed counterclockwise within the next level of the grid. Okay, so up. It's always going to be up. Okay, it's always up with you. Come on, just kidding. So what level are we at? In this particular case, we know it's going to be 2. So we go up until we are at. Oh, see now. How do we figure? Because each level is going to be different. Because in this case, it's the second level, so we go up 1 and we're there. Then we go 2, 2, 2. So we go up 1, then we go left 2, down 2, right 2. Oh. Also, anytime the index changes, we place So matrix cx cy equals I. Okay. So we go up. We're just going to go cy minus minus, right? To go up one. Then we place one. But it's not equal to just I because we need to go I plus plus. Okay, excuse me. Well, let's do this. Because this is a recurring theme. Matrix, let's make a function here. So, do we need to return anything? Okay, matrix. I think I can declare a function within main. Cannot be defined within another, so you cannot define a function within the main function or any other functions because C++ follows the principal scope and language is not subordinate. However, you can define a function at the global scope outside of main and then call the function from within it. Here's an example. A lambda function. So I'm just wondering if I have this. Let's see. Oh, it means lambda captures all local variables so can modify I in matrix. Cool. Lambda function to replace that right there. Increment and assign. Oh, cool. We're doing it. Done. Okay, so I can just put a lambda in here. And where did you put it in? Right after LVL equals 1? I agree. How come it's giving me a squiggly there? I don't know. And then here we'll just go increment and assign. So can it do that? It can't do that. There's an issue. Expected expression clang expected. No quick fixes available. View problem Alt plus F8. Does their compiler, does it not support lambdas? Oh. Oh, just make them all global. Okay. Matrix I, CX, and CY. Okay, so let's just put everything global then. Matrix, CX, I. Okay. Oh, let's just go like this. Here. Here. Global variables. Oh, matrix. Oh, I gotcha. Okay, so we just declare it there. And then inside main we resize. How do you do that? Matrix dot resize. Okay. Resize the 2D vector with n columns and n rows. Nice. Let's be good. Define starting position in the matrix. The current odd numbered level. Lambda function. Okay, we're not going to use that. But we are going to make function increment and assign, and we're just going to define it here. It's not going to return anything. It's not going to take any parameters because it's all global. So then we're just going to go matrix CX CY equals I, and then I plus plus. And that's all it's going to do. Function to replace that, yeah, okay. And then increment and assign, okay. Okay, increment and assign, level plus, place a value. So here we go right here. Just want to copy this. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so the real thing that happens here, this is going to be inside a loop, so move one to the right. And the level goes up. Okay, so what happens is, move one to the right happens every single time, okay? And then place value there. Proceed counterclockwise within the next level of the grid up. So what we do is we go up, and then we do that, but we do this The number of times we do this is 4 int x, or just a, whatever, a equals 0. A is less than level. So in the case of level, like if it's 1, okay, so if it's 2, we're going to go up 1. So it's actually going to be the second level, which is a 3 by 3. Level is going to equal the number 2. So it's level minus 1. Because level is going to be 2. And then we're going to do this that many times. In this case, we're going to do it once. Because level is equal to 2, a is less than 1, it's going to do that once, and then we move on. Then we go left, oh, and right here we're going to replace this with increment and assign. Right there, increment and assign. Okay, then we go left. Now what we're going to do is 4 int a equals 0. A is less than level a plus plus. So in order to go left, we go cx minus minus. Okay. And then we increment and assign. Like that. Okay. Now we go down. It's just like up except for the opposite direction. So we're going to go cy plus plus. And then we're going to go level times rather than level minus 1 times. And then we go right, which is the opposite direction of left. Oh, okay. And then we're going to go level times, or the same. Okay, that works. And then we're going to go plus plus, increment and assign. Okay, then we increase the level plus plus. And then what we do is we move 1 to the right. So then we're going to loop back up there. Okay, now. Wait, let's... hold on. So we want to loop through this to find the current odd numbered level. And what are we doing? N equals 3. Oh, so we want to loop through that. Okay, so we're going to do the 1 first, and then let's say it's 1. Then we're done, right? Okay, matrix, define the starting position, level, increment and assign, level plus plus. Okay. So 4 int b equals 0, b is less than, gives you a number, size of the spiral, n is odd. So it's n plus 1 divided by 2, right? Or n minus 1 divided by 2? Because if it's 1, it's n minus 1, which is 0 divided by 2. Okay, so n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. And if it's 2, then it's going to be n minus 1, which is 1 divided by 2. Wait, is that right? Is that right? Is that right? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait. So the first level is 1. I'm confused. And if n is 2, then we need a 3 by 3. But we only need a loop through there. No, if n is 3, we need 3 by 3, but we only need a loop 2 times, so n minus 1. Because if it's 3, then the level is 2. If it's 5, the level is 3. So we add 1 and divide by 2. Add 1 and divide by 2. So if it's 1, you're getting 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. And you would do this once. But we don't want to do it once, so you want to take that number and subtract 1. Hold on. So take this number and then further subtract 1, and then b plus plus. Oh, not D&D night? Sorry, Nook. Where's Quantum? What the heck? Oh, he's been streaming for 2:15? Oh. Alright. That's cool. Just looking. Okay, oh, we're not in there. So we're back here is where I'm trying to go to. Okay, so here. I think that'll do it. I think that'll do it. Could be wrong. Yeah, it's all good. We'll just try it. So then we loop through all this again. Increase level, and then we loop. Okay. What in the world is going on outside? Okay, so let's see what that does. And then once we're done here, for anti equals no, C out. Oh. Why did it go there? 1 should go there with 2, and then it didn't go up. It went down and then clockwise. Hold on. It could be because of the way that, oh, I don't know. Okay. So the way that we store the matrix could be the other way around. I, J, what if it's J, I? Okay. Okay. So now let's go up to here, 21. It would definitely know. What about this one? Okay, so what are we not doing? Increment and assign, CX, CY. Increase level. Move 1 to the right, CX++. Place value. And increase I. Oh wait, are we using I for anything else? Just down here, right? Okay. Yeah. Move 1 to the right. Place value of I. Increase and assign. But I think what happens is What does this one do? It works. Okay. So 9, do I get a 9 by 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it actually creates the matrix correctly. Whoops. And then the middle number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1. It's actually correctly in the right spot. And then it went to 2. And then up from there should be the 45. But why do we have 45? Why don't we have 3? And 9 by 9 goes to 81. So is it overriding the thing here? So if it's 9, what is this? 9 plus 1 is 10, divided by 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4. So it's going to do this 4 times after it does the 1. So 3, 5, 7, 9, that's right. Okay, so this must be what we're doing here. Move 1 to the right. Place value of I. So like take for instance when it's 9, 3 works. So I'm not really worried about 3. That's actually pretty cool. I wish there was a 5, but there isn't. Is there int n, cn, n, cn ignore? Can we just go here n equals 5? Can we do that? For 3? Okay, so it's totally messed up. But 3 works. That's what's bizarre about it. So let's think about with 5 then. Or 9, whatever. Since they're both messed up the same way, obviously. Oh, and that, yeah. Let's go to 9 here and look. Okay. So the thing about this is the next level. It's the next level that's messed up because this little section gets numbers and they just get incremented. But if you look actually 8, 9, 10, 11, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, that's a little 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 52, and then it never comes back. Actually, it goes to 57. So what are we getting there? 34, 42, 47, 52, 57. So that's... I don't really know. Move 1 to the right. So that works. Increment and assign. Level. So let's say it's 9, right? So 9 plus 1 is 10, divided by 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4. So it's going to do this 4 times. So the first time it does it, cx plus what? Plus. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so it actually does do that, right? Okay. 10, 11, and then 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, wait. 10, 11, 12. So the first one works, but then the second one, what happens? Do I not increment the level? Increase the level down here, right? So n equals 3. What happens when n equals 5 again? Let's look at n equals 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, although it gets overridden. 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It should go up one more, but instead it just goes up to there. Now the reason why is because here, move 1 to the right. It does that correctly. Increment and assign. Okay, level minus 1. So the level is what? At 5. So the first time the level is, see, it's 1, then it goes to level 2. Wait, so at level 1, you're just doing that. Level 2, you're going 1, 2, 2, 2. At level 3, you're going 3, 4, 4, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 2, 2. 3, 4, 4, 4. Oh, so there's the pattern there. So we're just getting the pattern wrong. So a to level minus 1. It's not a to level minus 1. It's a to 1, 2, 2, 2. 3, 4, 4, 4. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. It's level times 2, and level 2 times 2 minus 1, right? But isn't that going to mess it all up because it doesn't work? Hold on. Bum 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 bum. So if level is 2, it's going to be up. Hold on, let me write this down. So at level 2, it's 1, 2, 2, 2. At level 3, it is 2, 4, 4, 4. At level 4, it's going to be 3, 6, 6, 6. So this is level minus 1. This is level minus 1 times 2, level minus 1 times 2. Oh, only beyond the first one, only beyond 2. So we need to set that variable like this. Bum 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 bum. If LV. So we need a counter variable. Hold on. Where are we at? Let's just go. Okay, hold on. So if it's 2, it's equal to 1 and then 2, 2, 2. 3, it's equal to level minus 1 and then minus 1 times 2. Level minus 1, level minus 1. Oh wait, level minus 1 and then level minus 1 times 2. Okay, hold on. So the first one's equal to level minus 1, right? Times 2 minus 1. No, minus 1 times 2. Okay, I got it. We got it. I got it. Excuse me. Whew. I thought I changed that. Oh, it goes back to search and then it has this as the latest thing from search. Search for something else. I just don't want that as the search. Okay, whatever. Alright, there we go. There we are. Okay. Level times 2. There. Whoops. Well, it's 5. No. Okay. So level minus 1 times 2 is not what we're supposed to do. 1, 2. Although it is going, it's not going up as far as it should. Level minus 1. So wait, level minus 1, so the first level, it's nothing. Okay, 3, the level minus 1 is, it goes up 2, but it's actually not going up 2. It's going up 1. 2, 2, 2. 1, but it's level 2. Level 2 goes up 1, so that's right. Level 3 goes up 2, which is level minus 1. So how can this not work? 1, 2, what does it do 3, right? Did I mess it up? One, two, 3 works. 3 works. So, alright, let's just go to 9 and look. Aborted? Uh-oh. Maybe we can't do this one with this compiler. I could do it in Visual Studio. Because then it would tell me if I'm overreaching, right? If I'm overwriting the array and I'm going too far. It would not compile. It would, I mean, it would crash when it ran instead of working and showing me output, which is weird. But okay, 1, 2, and then 3. So it's just not going up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're actually going up 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, move 1 to the right, increment and assign, right? So that's 10. And then go up. Oh, I'm not thinking about it right, am I? Because 5, that's not it. So the level is the 3rd level, but the number is 5. It's the, okay. So it's the 3rd level, which is a 5 by 5. 1, 3 by 3, 5 by 5. So what's actually you have to go up 11, 12, 13. So you're going up 3. But what do I do? Level, oh, minus 1. Okay. So on the 3rd level we go up 2? No. Oh, I'm so confused. Okay, so the first level... I'm getting lost in this, and this is insane. So the first level, right, is 1. Second level is a 3 by 3. You go up 1 and then 2, 2, 2. Okay, left, down, right. Okay. The next level is a 5 by 5, which is level 3. 3, 5 by 5. You go up 2. No, you go up 3. Right? Because you're going to a 5 by 5, you go up 3, 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12, 13, 11, 12. So you go up 3. Alright, hold on. So here, the 3rd level, we go up 3. And then we go 4. So it's 3, 4, 4, 4. 10, 11, 12, 13. So maybe we could just take this pattern of 1, 2, 2, 2 and add to it, because we add 2 to that and 2 to that. See, because up here, what we're doing is we're going level minus 1. But what if we just set that as a number that we calculate every loop? Okay, so hold on. So we'll calculate an up. We'll call it int up. And that will be level minus 1 at the start. And then int others. And that'll be level. Okay, in this case. Because when you're going after the first level, you're on level 2. So the up is 1, and then the others is 2, right? So 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So now we loop, here we loop up amount. Okay? And then the others we loop other amount. Others. Computer. Okay, and then every time through the loop we increment up and we increment others. Up goes up by 1, and then the others go up. Oh wait, does it? Hold on. Up goes up by 2, and so do others. Plus equals 2. Equals 2. Whoops. Oh wait, we're doing 5. Oh, we're getting closer to 5, 6, 10, 11, 12. Oh wait, that's right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 9. Oh wait, that's going to be 5. It's going to print them out. Dun, 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 dun. So that was right. Okay, that's it. Nice. So now instead of printing the numbers, we just get an is prime function going on. Bing, is prime. There we go. Okay. Now we have an is prime. We're just going to throw that in here. If n is less than 2, return false. I is equal to 2. I times I is less than n, so it's doing the, okay, instead of the square root, that's kind of cool. N mod I is 0. Okay, so we're just going to go through here. And at the end here, and see out matrix Ji. So we're actually going to see out, okay. Wait, let's go like this. Is prime matrix Ji. And if it's true, there's a ternary way to do that, right? Ternary operator. If it's true, we want to print out the pound sign. Okay. If not, we want to print out a space. I didn't do that right. I don't know my ternary operators, but guess who does? Condition, true expression, false expression. Oh, the colon, okay. In this corrected code is prime, that will output that if matrix is prime and that. Those parentheses around the turner up are not strictly necessary, but they can make the code cleaner. Okay, good. So what we want is the is prime. So I'm just missing the colon. Not bad for my first ternary operator thinger. Oh my gosh, I think I just got it. Oh my god. Computing score. Cool. I don't know what that means. 100% share details. Share, huh? Twitter, copy URL. Okay. Hey, what's up? Hi, Programmer Jeff, sir, Big Boss. Whatever. That's Mr. Big Boss. No, I'm just kidding. Wait, who is this? Teresa? What? Teresa something Rodriguez. Hello. Thanks for the follow. And chill mode, how are you doing? Well, I was doing some Clash of Code, and then I decided to try this history, huh? 1 minute ago. You're wasted. Yo, thing looks matrix. I'm wasted 5 a.m. Well, have fun. Take care of yourself and have a nice sleep. I can't believe that worked. We're printing the Ulam spiral. Stop smoking? That would be, I don't smoke. That would be COVID, probably. COVID has changed my lungs. Of course, during the COVID lockdown, I smoked a lot. Sorry, yeah. During the COVID lockdown, I smoked a lot. I had a bong. Anyways, exactly. Yes, it's legal in my state too. So no, I smoked a lot of weed during the pandemic lockdown, and then I quit cold turkey September 2021, and that's been almost 3 years. So it's just the content of the polluted environment that nourishes my lungs. It does hit creativity on some thick thing. What are you talking about? Okay, let me see if I can try another one. Does this get recorded? Do I have to? I submitted, so we're good, right? Best score 100%. That's cool. I think that one kind of worked my brain. Let's go back to clashes. Where are the clashes at? Here we go. Clash of Code. Phew. Let's go back to a regular old clash. Okay, I'm going to stretch for just a little bit while the clash loads. I will come right back, enjoy the festivities here with the Be Right Back screen. This is my shooter that I'm still working on it. Be right back. Yeah, I love codingame. I'll be right back. I'll do another one in just a sec. Alrighty. This is the disco lights in my little voxel world. And a messed up jetpack. Or you can kind of fly around. Okay, let's see what the code's doing. Okay, whew. Leonardo da Capri-Sun, the famous playboy, only dates women who are between the ages of... Give the map a trampoline, add tag. Oh, geez. Weird. Let's see. There we go. Dude, quit. Why would you quit? It's so easy. Oh, shortest code? I don't think I can do it shorter. I don't... It's fine. 506 bytes. Alright. Oh, he quit too. Why would you quit? That's such an easy one. Oh, what is that? What is MGS1? Pre-roll ads are disabled for 36 minutes? I don't know what that means. Oh, cool. Oh, everybody. Oh, he got it. Didn't share his code, though. Let's play another one. These clashes seem real easy relative to the other puzzle. That was an easy puzzle, and it took me, I don't know how long, probably about half an hour, 45 minutes maybe. That was really interesting though with the Ulam spiral. Just trying to figure out how to get the computer to emulate the patterns. Yeah, it's free to sign up as well. Like if I share this with you until the time runs out, 45 seconds, you can sign up and join the clash. If I do a private clash, you have 15 minutes and you can join the clash with me. I can choose which programming language to restrict it to, or all programming languages. Yeah, that's how I learned JavaScript and Python on codingame. They have all these different languages you could learn. It's really cool. Calculate the result of, x, what is that called? Factorial? Divided by y factorial? Oh. Well, alright. So, for int I equals 0, I is less than x, I plus plus. What we could do is whichever one's greater, and then just, here, go like this. Int m equals whichever one's greater. X is greater than y, so then you go question mark. If x is greater than y, then the answer is x. Otherwise, your answer is y. Oh, cool. So then you want to go up to m, and then you just want to go if I is less than x, then you want to add the factorial. So, and then the result of x equals 1, and then the result of y equals 1. Okay. So if I is less than x, then result of x, oh wait, but we want to go like this. 1 to m plus 1. Rx times equals I. If I is less than y, ry times equals I. Oops. Like that. And at the end we'll get factorial, then you just want to divide rx divided by ry. Is that going to give a an integer, the result of that? $30. Oh, if I is less than, we gotta go x plus 1 and y plus 1. Because we added 1 to the, yeah. Arithmetic exception, oh. Do we output anything if there is no... What are you supposed to output if there's no... just 0? Well, I guess we'll find out from that one, but... Expected 9... Wait, what? Oh, it expects an exceptionally large number. Oh. What? 1, 2... Can an integer do that? Is that not... Is it... What? Random... What? Wait, how come it's not getting these? What? I wonder what equal numbers, huh? Why is it not doing it all of a sudden? Huh. Oh, right now I like I hope to. I like Smite, Fortnite, Minecraft, League of Legends, um, No Man's Sky. No Man's Sky is a real big inspiration for me. Oh, dude got it. Dude just got it. Oh, it's shortest mode, so... I'm not sure why this isn't working. RY is greater than 0.
Chill mode. No Man's Sky is super broad. Things that
I tell you what, after I get here, let's see out RX and see out RY. Let's see what happens with the big test case there. They're all 0? So what's X and Y up here? $999 and $996. So what's the big deal with that? So what is M? Whoop, not that one. Computer, stop. Stop. Okay, so M is 999, that's right. So then R1 and RY, 1 to this. This should be fine, right? Why does it go to 0 here? Why is RX 0? It's going to loop so many times, though. I don't want to put that inside there. It's slowly going up, and then it fails. Oh, this one. Okay, so it gets lost doing the factorial, right? Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so... Bum, 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 Why does it get lost? Why does it get 1, 1, 2, 2, 6, 6, 24 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9? It just gets too large. So do we need longs? These need to be long. And then we'll just... It's just too large. So those are longs, and then it prints. It's from Starbound. It's one of my favorite games that I have not actually conquered. I should probably go through the game. Okay, so I don't know how to deal with the large numbers there. We're done. 40%. Cool. Have a good night. Sleep well. You need a knockout? Pass out? Well, thanks for being on stream here. Keeping me a little bit of company here while I'm doing some code. You are in a multi-transportational race. You will be given a distance to go and different modes of transportation. You must see if you will make it to the finish line, make it exactly to the finish line, or if you don't make it to the finish line. No world multi-transportational race. Okay. So the speed of light shown as a string light, speed of sound shown as sound, the string of speed of a motorcycle, swimming pace, walking pace. The distance of an image to be traveled in kilometers, the number of different transportation modes. The next n line is the current form of transportation and time, an integer in minutes traveling separated by a space. Overshot, if you go past the finish line, where overshot refers to the distance that you overshot the end goal rounded to one decimal place. Did not make the trip if you did not make it to the end point. Finish if you made it out to the finish point. I don't like rounding. I don't want to do it. Okay, so we just want to take all this. 10 is what? The distance to be traveled, and then the next line is 1 sound 10. Okay, so we just need to calculate the distance traveled. Okay, transportation and time. Okay, so each time through here, distance is the distance total, n is the number of things here. So transportation time. Okay, so total distance traveled. Traveled. Let's just say not t. Let's go st equals 0. So st plus equals. Although we need to know if. Can we just do tr for transportation? There. If tr equals, what we're going to do here is light. Okay. And we're going to go st plus equals 179,875,47.48 kilometers per minute. Okay. And then it's giving you a time in minutes. Okay. Point. Alright, times minutes. Alright, so we just need to do this for light, sound, motorbike, swimming, and walking. Okay. Okay. Speed of sound is 20.58. Speed of the motorbike is 3.3. Swimming 0.083. ST should be afloat. 0.06 for walking. Okay, at the end we want to know total distance. Okay. If ST is less than distance, did not make the trip. Okay, did not make the trip. Okay, if ST is greater than distance, overshot. Okay, overshot by. Going to be distance, no, ST minus distance. I think that'll work. You got a cool ass stream, sir. I will allow that. Y'all smart. Well, I don't know yet. Let's see. Ah, we got it. Okay, overshot by O. And we're supposed to round it to the nearest decimal there? Did we not? So we don't want it to print, what's that called? Scientific notation? We want to round to one decimal. How do we do that? I forget. I forget how to do that. SCD Precision or something like that. I think it's Precision 1. After this, I gotta get ready for bed. I gotta floss and brush my teeth. I already showered, so. IO manip. Okay, fixed. Set precision 1. Okay. Whoops. Go in here. So right here. And what is it? Whoops. What is it? STD fixed. Set precision 1. And we got to use IO manip, so we have to include IO manip. This is what really goes on in Metal Gear Solid 1 hackings. More than likely. Okay, it's also not doing something correctly there. Overshot by... How come it's not getting that correct? 28. Found 28.0, expected 9.8. If you go past the finish line or overshot refers to the distance that you overshot the rounded to one decimal place. That's not a rounding issue, though. Zero 083 3.3 20.58 17987.547.48. So what all is in this one? So what's in this one that we get right? Just sound. What's in this one that we get wrong? Sound, light, moto. Okay, so light, are we getting that right? So light is 179.875.47.48. Sound, light. Take it easy, chill mode. Chill mode. And then thank you. Dude, you're awesome. You are an awesome dude, and I like your username. Chill mode. That's awesome. Chill mode. Okay, unless I'm supposed to round to 1 each time, I don't know. Really not sure why it's not working, but we'll see here. Sound, light, moto, overshot by that. Finished, overshot, okay, fixed. ST minus distance. And distance is an integer. I don't know. Let's see. The distance is 999,999. And the ST is 719. And oh, I put that on the wrong one. So we're actually landing here. Have we overshot by that, is what it says. But it's 9.8, which is actually, Did he get, son of a bean dip, dude got it. I don't think I'm gonna get this. It's alright. This will be my last class here. I'm gonna end stream after this, unfortunately. I have to wake up at 4:30 in the morning. I should already be in bed. Sound light mode out. Yeah. Well, we came close, I guess. Let's just go with taking out all of my debugging. See if we just submit what we'll get. Oh, 83%, so it was just a small error. Not sure where the error is. Round to D1. Okay, that was it. Alrighty. Well, thanks everyone for tuning in. Thanks for the follow there, and thanks for chill mode. Pretty cool dude. If we still have 2 people, let's go to Quantum. Quantum's pretty cool. One viewer ready. If we get another one, we will raid. Nobody else? I thought I had 2. Well, we'll try it anyways. Maybe there's 2 in there somewhere.